What's going on, guys? It's me, John, Pikachu P Car, and today I am doing a follow-up video on my TRD Pro Tundra. Yes, it's not one of my JDMs and it's not on one of my exotic cars. It's on my Tundra, and what's going on is actually, well, I got some cool lights from my homies at Alpharex. And I wanted to just clean the car up before we install those. So I have it over here at Vanquish Motors over in Concord, and these are my homies here. My buddy Cam, who owns NorCal Detailing, he also works here sometimes, and he is going to be doing like a full detail polish on the truck, get it looking nice and pretty for the camera for when we do the actual install of the Alpharex headlights and taillights. Cam himself getting ready. Inside Vanquish. This showroom is usually full of cars, but man, they have been doing an awesome job just selling everything. Ooh, look at this. 964 C2. That looks good. I wonder if it's for sale. Also, look at this RX-7 FD. This thing is so sick, and it has that Mazda speed kit on there. That thing looks awesome. Look at that. Instant street cred. And an amazing thing, ooh, look at that bride seat. This is truly authentic. Right-hand drive, sick. Wow, that is the full like Mazda speed kit. This is like the one on Initial D. It's not yellow, but this red is pretty sick. Yep, one of 3 different versions of the FD on the Initial D, which was, they had the Ariama Mia, and then they had the standard body, the Kyoko, like my RZ, and then this Mazda Speed one. Super cool. There goes my truck. This thing's been awesome. People ask me which one of my cars I drive the most, and it's this one. Now, a lot of people like the Raptor, which is a cool car. I got this thing mainly because, well, it's actually hybrid, so it's a V6 twin turbo. So I knew it was tunable, just with a little more pounds of boost. So this thing can actually run on E30, E35, and I can actually put an extra 7 pounds of boost based on maps on the JB4 that this car has. It goes hard. This thing can tow like 12,000 pounds. Torque is way up there. It's a pretty peppy car. So that's why I chose it. I thought it was better, it tows better. I think the Raptor only does like around 8,000 or 9,000 towing capacity. So yeah, it's been pretty solid. Cam doing his thing. And my truck is getting the full treatment with DI water. Love it. So there should be no hard water spots. You the man. Now, one thing I wanted to point out, something new with my truck, is I got my personalized plates, Thai T, because the THAI Thai got taken, but this works, and mainly because, shoot, color of the car, it looks like Thai T, right? And of course, for my license plate frame, McLaren, baby. That's right.
In John's new car?
Actually, Cam's car. He's letting me borrow the Alpha while he is polishing up the truck.
She's over there. We'll get back to it later.
8 hours later.
What's up? Dude, we got like a hella ton of food.
Oh shoot.
I thought Sam was still here too.
Thanks.
So you're gonna have to eat.
Oh man.
Dude, look at that thing. It doesn't even look the same. Holy crap. Damn. Oh my god. This really is Thai tea. It looks like clean Thai tea now. Whoa, dude.
Such a unique color.
Bro, look at the wheels. Like I did a close-up of the wheels before, and look at them now. Dude, Cam, wow. This is ready to go on sale. No way. Dang, dude. Bro.
Can't go on sale yet. You got lights to put on.
No way. I'm not going to sell this thing. Never. Dude, look how clean it looks inside, too.
Oh, yeah, well,
Ah, somehow you put back the new car smell. How you do it? Dude, Cam, amazing. It's gonna make it look pretty for the video for the Alpharex lights.
Several days later.
Okay guys, what's up? So we have the truck now, and thank you Cam and NorCal Detailing for making it look so amazing, polished up, looking beautiful. It doesn't even look like the car is like 20,000 miles, it looks brand new now. So we're here at Dynamic Auto Works as usual, and we're gonna be installing the Nova Series Alpharex lights, headlights and taillights on my TRD Pro Tundra. So you guys can check them out, they look amazing. Quality is, I mean, it's just as good as OEM, if not better. I mean, and they look sick. You know, we're gonna show you kind of like a side-by-side before and after of the lights, but I mean, I love it. You know, we kind of held it up. You guys can see, it looks much more aggressive than the OEM lights. Now, the lights itself on the TRD Pro are already like an upgraded version of the Tundras, but these I think are even better. You can see they have bigger jewels. These have 4 jewels. These have 4 jewels, but these look bigger. I noticed some difference. These are more stacked, so design is different. But I definitely like this this blackened out color scheme. I think it's going to make the truck look much more aggressive. So I'm super excited for this. Should be fun. Here are the taillights as well too. So these, I really like these a lot. I think these look much better than the OEM version. So check this out. The OEM looks cool, like it's all red and all that stuff, but this blackened version, like I said, it's gonna look way tougher. Nova Series from Alpharex. One other thing is this to TRDs and Tundras in general, they have a cool button here that just makes it easier to drop the bed of the truck. We're gonna actually be able to transfer this onto the Alpharex light, so we're gonna maintain that ability to be able to drop the gate with the convenience button right there. I think that's one of the coolest features, you know, with the bed of the TRD Pro Tundra.
Right.
Yeah. Cool. Give you a back massage while you're working.
I never had that.
I'm gonna call Dan. Joe got jealous right now, I know it. Wherever you find it.
Yeah, I got headphones on, but I can hear like, you know, certain words and certain names.
Oh, they missed the spot, John.
Who?
They missed the big.
Built a couple rocks
How
on that.
dare you, cat? Let me wipe that shit. How dare you not stick a finger through there?
Only a couple pebbles.
Oh, that's a big chunk. Holy. Where was I driving, dude? How did I get that, dude? Oh, damn.
Oh.
I told you this thing was hella dirty. I'm telling you, it was hella dirty. It was hella dirty. What are we chasing? Yeah.
Chasing the air cool.
Chase her? I barely know her. Dad jokes.
because it has their own module already. So it is a bypass harness. This goes into your original one, and then it bypasses into this.
Just like OBD thing to get rid of like a check engine light.
Yeah, pretty much.
I think it will look better if we transfer the blacks onto here. Actually,
Is they transferable? Yeah, because one will be the button, one will be black.
yeah, and they're both black then. I think both are transferable. We'll see in the. It looks like 2 screws. We'll see in the back on that.
Yeah.
I'm starting to get hungry. Let's let me get lunch.
If I have time, because I have to route this harness and everything too.
Huh?
I have to route the harness.
This is how it'd be routed.
Okay.
Yeah,
Should we get lunch first?
I'm gonna look this up right now.
Oh, okay. It shouldn't be that hard, right?
No, I just gotta know which one is because one will probably be like constant power, and one will be when you
Signal light. Oh, I see.
so they're not always on.
Got it.
If you turn the coffee.
Got it.
You know, they're fuse tapped and everything already too.
I mean, they're a big company, like I said. you
Yeah,
know?
these are all pre-done.
It has the motor, but it doesn't have the harness anymore to go in.
And then
This is for all the lights. This bypasses everything. This is all for that. You see how it got all these pins deleted. I mean, you could call it, unless it's built in from here to here, but I highly doubt it because this is the motor that actually controls it. And it needs this.
So what did I do for auto?
I don't know.
So you just
We're gonna plug it in. And see
We're gonna plug it in and see if it still works.
okay.
They might do something different inside, but we don't know.
Okay.
Post these on eBay.
Yeah.
Damn, we got 2 Danny's here. 2 John. Yeah, 3 Danny's. And then 3 Johns. John Lamb came by.
Okay, we just got done installing the Alpharex headlights and taillights, and they look sick. I think the look is very, it's more aggressive, it's cleaner. The car feels faster, the truck. I don't know how much horsepower I added. I think a lot.
5 per light. 10 per light. 10 per light.
Lots of joules. So we're gonna go find some nature, take a few shots so you guys can kind of see what the truck looks like now with the new lights. Let's go.